What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to the vlogs. And today, my people, we have a little bit special vlog for going on, my people. Cause right now, I'm not gonna show you what we did yet, but I'm gonna show you just a talk. So welcome back to the channel, my people. You know it's your boy 416-876 Jamaica. Alright, people. And if you're new here, people, we do videos across Canada, content anywhere we get to go and stuff like that. We do content there and we show off the area. Alright. Two, we also show off the hoods, the mall, the beach, the parks and stuff like that. And then we also building a house in Jamaica, and we show a lot of house content and material and local places in Jamaica, the beach, the waterfall, you know, nice location. And we do a lot of home project videos to help you for the dream house, the Airbnb. So if you're new here, my people, just stay tuned. A whole heap of content will come. But right now, people, we're gonna attempt to do a Blue Mountain hiking. Right now, people, we're in the Blue Mountains. Yes, my people, so you can see how it is. And this is not Blue Mountains, Jamaica. This is Blue Mountain, Ontario, Canada. So we're gonna attempt to climb the Blue Mountains in Ontario. So not climb, hiking. So we're gonna hike onto the top. I'm gonna walk and talk, and we're gonna do a video. Simple as that, right, my people? So again, my people, like we say, when one door close and next one open. So right now, one of my bridges then call me back up because they don't know. So we do film production also, right? So I do electric, I do lighting and stuff for movies for Naybet. So one of my bridges them call me out and say, yo Jay, so you're not really work right now. Your body up and ready again. I think you can boom 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 for a couple weeks. Now I'm like, you know what? We need the money, you know. Although I'm not fully 100% recovered. But you know what? We have to still get up and we still have to go and fight it. You understand? With me even I walk up this hiking right now. Even if I have energy. But you know what I know, people? If you want good in a life, and sometimes when the battle is hard, you still have to get up and fight it. More time I see my stepfather lay down there, tired out. I do a 16-hour shift, 17. And the roofing, still have to get up in the morning and go back out. You understand? Me there at Jamaica, I see my father come in about 2 o'clock at night, and by 4 or 5 o'clock again, I'm up again, go and work, and do him hustling again. You see it? Open him shop and thing. Yeah, man. See my mother sick out with diabetes problem, and every day she still have to get up. No matter what. More time, sometimes I feel so bad. She can't even move more time, and she still get up and fight it and go to work every day. You understand? Yes, my sickness is bad, but your mindset can overcome it. Of whatever sickness, from it's not a deadly sickness. I mean, I'm not deadly. I don't know so far. But every day we get back better and better, and the strength every day. You understand, my people? So anybody who watch this, it's more probably a motivation type of video and showing off the Blue Mountains. See over there, so now, my people, at the lake. I'm going to a lake view walk after, but not today for this video. Today we just go walk up the Blue Mountains. Yeah, man, my people, first time here, and this is more for winter time. A lot of people come here. We never really know, say you could have come here and do the hiking in a summertime. And people, boy, a summertime and it's cold. Yeah, man, it's cold, my people. It's cold. But I see the mountain today. Today we not work. Tomorrow I start. Wednesday me start work and stuff on the movie. So the day there for the week. I don't know how much vlogs I can do. I see we can get the next vlog done tomorrow. Probably gonna get 2 vlogs a week there, until we get the production done. But yeah, my people, look at the view. Nice view. But boy, my people, I'm tired already. Let show you. Whoa. There's a steep look hill in my people. Mountain them saying. Whoa. I'm not even bring water with me. I never know say. I can't do the walk here today. You know, I wait till tomorrow. But Father God know best, yeah, man. So I take on the walk today. Yeah, man. So anything you go through in life, my people, just know say Father God know the best for everybody. You understand? Today your door might close. Look for me. Just 2 weeks ago or 3 weeks ago, I get fired from a job. Over a weekend, I just so boom. We do a wedding. Yesterday we do a music video shoot. And then today, I up on a next gig. And them 2 there are my own production, my photography company. And then yesterday, are my video company. Me direct my music video, shoot and edit. Right? So again, as one door close, Father God know what I'm doing, my people. Do I regret? Look at that view, my people. Holy. So the view there. I will still have one next probably half an hour walk for go up the hill. Cause it's a steep hill. Holy. Wow. You know what I breath, my people? Should I bring my bottle of water? Wow. So again, my people, as one door closed, you know, no matter, sometimes it may look weak out and say, so, you have your last $50 left in your bank account or your last $100 left. Just know, say, I got on time. You understand? And Father God, now give you more than you can handle in life. So, just remember that, you know. Father God now give more than you can handle more time. And sometimes, Father God want just slow you down a little bit. Sometimes we are move too fast for our own good. And we not even know, say, the fastness space there, where we are move. I eat a drain way. And I eat a slowly kill we. It a slowly poison we. And we not really realize more time we really are going. Because we're upon this fast momentum. Up. You understand? We are trying to get it done. Same thing I'm with the dream house. Why, my people? I'm not reaching nowhere yet. I'm want to turn back. Holy. Wow. I'm not reaching nowhere yet, you know, my people. Wow. Not even reach quarter of the way yet. I'm tired out. But I'm going to fight it, man. I'm going to fight it. The next Blue Mountain now, go see me climb at the Jamaican one. Yeah, man. I go hike up that, man. I start do a whole heap of different hiking videos too, you know, my people. Yeah. Oh, we people, I want to sit down. Nah, lie to you. I want to sit down. Look on the track, people. I want to sit down already. Holy. But I see a couple old people that go up there. Elders. Upon that lake, them people. And that's a lake, you know, my people. Yeah, man. That's an ocean. That's a lake. And it's above Toronto, you know, so imagine that. Yeah. It's above Toronto. Sorry my people, I'm tired out. Holy. So over here, sir, soon start get populated more. The Airbnb where we are stay, it's a brand new one. Yeah. Wow. People, the hill steep. Every time you have to stop on good 2 minutes. Because boy, it's not easy. But for anybody who live in Toronto or the GT area and never try out this hiking and full of hiking, boy, come try that one, man. Because every time I stop, I think I go turn back. I'm not going to out today for the hiking. I'm not no water. But I'm going to fight it. I'm going to fight it to the top, my people. People, if you're looking at my eye, I cry, I want to cry. It's hard. It's hard. Boy, it's hard. Woo! Still I gotta try though. Still I gotta try. But yeah, my people. So with the house project, I see something happen to me. The house project started in 2021. Now it's 2024. I mean, I rush. Every money what I get, every dollar what I get, I see I can do something. You understand? Every time. No matter if I $50, $100, two people, I don't think I can make it. I'm too tired. I'm not no water. Holy. I'm too tired, my people. Today I call it a half a day. I walk through the neighborhood. I attempt it and I failed. I have to come back next time. But before I leave, I'll do a next full video. You know what? No. This is a hiking video for Blue Mountain. And you're going to hike it up. Yeah, man. We're going to do it today. Get it over with one time. Yeah, man. Same thing. The home video, now, my people. Started it in 2021. And I push and I fight and I fight. And every time I reach, say yeah, we're almost done. Bad mind, envy, the demon getting at some of them people here. And then everything just go left. Yeah. Everything just go left. And put you in a one big hole. Wow. And put you in a one big hole, my people. And then you just want to give up. Just like how I want to give up hiking up this mountain right now. No joke. But Father God always tell me to continue. People, and a local time, I tell my family them say, I done with it, you know. I just have to sell it. People may have to sit down for a bit. Woo-wee. I say, I have to sell it. I just cut my losses and call it a day. You understand? Because it's very hard for you to try and see them people them where you try help. I see them people them where you tear you down back. Because me can't believe in a short space of time I'm forward say I come back to Toronto and I send almost $1 million. Say $1 million Jamaican in about a couple months just to finish up some stuff. And you tell me say nothing no really get done. Family them go down there and show me. I have to really look on it and say this is why I want really done with the property here, you know. Because no matter No matter who, no my people. No me ball and ball. And say nothing now go on for them. Nothing now go on for them. Boy, we are dead down here, we hungry. Boy left to work with me, you know. This one left to work with me, you know. Yo, me do this for you, man. Now watch no face. This one is same thing. Everybody are the same thing. And then now you start work with this one. Boom. You see them were no good. You work with the next one. You see them were no good. Am I almost there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Or no?
No, you're like a quarter of the way.
Oh my
God. 3
God.
quarters left to go and it gets steeper.
And it gets steeper?
Yeah.
Oh my God, thank you. You think I could start, make it without water? Or should I?
Yeah, we didn't take water up.
And it's not too bad.
It's not too bad. It's good with the cool breeze and no sun today.
Okay,
so.
okay, thank you guys.
How long you've been? It's usually about 30 minutes up there.
Okay, thank you. Alright, take care. Alright, my people, them say it's around 30 minutes hiking to the top. So I'm gonna continue hike. But we still like a walk and talk still, my people. But we just the area just make me vision things different and as I look back and you know me just talk to you for the video here. You see it while we do the hiking, you know. You can check out the place, my people. Look how it look. Very nice, very nice. I live up here, so I probably hike almost every day. All night winter time I come up and come hike. Put on my winter clothes them and you know, snow out and come to my hiking. Cause this is good for the body too, you know, my people. Probably that's why Father God even said me up here and said, bro, you're not done yet. You have a next mountain for a climb. Yes man, my people. And like I said, people, all of the people in my Jamaica, my people, them ball and ball to you, cry to you, tell you the worst. And nothing really goes so. So now, I don't want a chick or a soul call me in Jamaica and say, bro, I'm hungry or this or that, because they're not really hungry. Them a banana tree, breadfruit tree, pear tree, mango tree. You can't catch fish. You can't go beg. I don't care. But my helping days in Jamaica is quite done. You don't want nobody call me and say, yo, boom. Probably I want 2 people, you know? But other people them who don't get a chance. Don't want nobody call me back again and say, yo, Jay, you can't help me out to that 50 or 100 or 2. No. Not even that. Not even that. Me get fire over there, yeah. Nobody don't really care. None of them. Me can't call upon none of them and say, yo, you know, so right now, I'm not a cheddar, you know, you can't go up your house, go do this to me or do that. No. Everything a payment, everything a money. All when you pay them already, them done the money and I call you back again for more money. And they've never done your job yet, not even quarter done your job yet. This is the mentality of these people who have to work with it. But them days they don't know. And probably Father God knows that them days they got done and they come to an end now. So everything just done now. No need nobody if you call back my phone now. Everything good now. And a whole heap of people in our life have reached them breaking point, you know. And sometimes Father God show we red flag countless of time. And I know like we don't see red flag them in our people. But more time. Well, I just want to say, you know what? I will give them a next shot. It's like you're in a relationship and your partner keep on cheating on you. And you say, let me give her a next shot. Or let me give him a next shot. If you're vice versa, right my people? How long you can take it? How long you give them a shot for? Eh? Until you can't make it no more. Until them drain you completely out the window. And that you go tell me. Until them drain you. Just like how me get drained. No. I'm not even worried about the house. No. Friends them say, bro. You know see how my wife did what here? One of my brethren. Man say, I the same way. Your wife used to stress like how me stress. And instead she get a siege over there, and pass away. Condolence, rip your seat. Man say, yo, if you continue to stress about things that's beyond your ability to rectify, what you gonna do about it? And yet man always say, yo, you always make the little thing them I stress you when enough you stress you. But so I start looking to myself and I say, you know what? I'm just done. I'm just done with the stressing. And people, more time, you have to look into it when one, two of your friends them really come to you and talk to you in a certain type of way. For really lighten up your eyes to see. So you go down a struggling road, a bad road, and you yourself now see it, but people out there I see it, you see it. So more time you just have to listen to a one-on-one. Alright, my people. So I'm not gonna drop the video no more, my people. There's still a hike up. But people, I think I want to turn back. Because I'm not even halfway there. But I still have to fight it. But I'm not halfway yet. I have to go sit down again. Boy, oh boy. Boy. I'm tired. Ooh-wee. Oh. Ooh-wee. People think I have to turn back. I come back next day. But this is how it looks so far. Oh, we cool and nice. But I can't make it no more further, people. I'm tired. Probably I need to start go back at the gym. Probably this is one of my routine now too. Yeah, because boy, it gets steeper and steeper, my people. I will still have to fight it, you know. I go end off the vlog and make you know when I reach the top. But I'm going to show you. Or when I reach even 75% of the way, I stop at the vlog because let me say, you know, I really want to show you the walk still, you know. Make you know it's not easy. If you're not fit, you're not gonna make it. But let's continue again the walking. Yes, so people, so we're still trying to make it work. Right now we're at a point where you can't even see the houses no more. It's just the lake right now, and I'm still not halfway yet. But it looks like it's gonna rain, so I should turn back. But I'm not gonna make that an excuse. So we're still fighting it up, my people. Still a fight it up the hill. But sooner much close by again, we're lagging, alright? Like I'm almost to the top. Yeah, my people, I'm gonna walk and talk no more further. So every time you talk and walk, it's like more energy I leave your body for go up the steep hill. So now we almost to the top of the peak of the Blue Mountain in Ontario, Canada. People, the amount of time I say I go turn back. And I see it in the video too. The amount of time. And that sometimes Father God show you, you know. Say, although the journey is long, the finish line is much, much greater. You understand? I'm a continue, my people. I'm a continue upon the more. Whole it more walk left, you know, my people. Watch out. Still have you go around. More walk left. Upon the hill down. I will go up to the top. Can walk and talk now till we reach the top peak. Right there, so You see me can see a little part or opening. Can't sit down there yet. But yes, my people, a far we are walk, man. And like me ask my people, before me end off the video, a 2021 we start the house day. And the journey long. And every time I think we are done, something else happen. It's like we just can't done. But I know we're done. Now the house can say 95% complete. People let me just work on the stuff that when me tell them to work on and just complete everything will be fully finished. Right? Like only thing we really left now, my people. I for just the little stuff them. Little plumbing work we left. And some little tiling work job left. On the outside wall. And then the perimeter wall. And the gate. And we fully finished. Probably I forgot Jamaican one of them time yeah. For finish up all the final little touches them down there. So we can at least get the property to open for December. Yeah? Because them say Vibes Cartel is out. Vibes Cartel I keep them show. In Jamaica it's first show. So hopefully you can hear me people. So I'm trying to get it done. So we can have it for me rent out. For a couple of them can hear them folks them. We'll go down there. I need an Airbnb for them stay for the 2 weeks or the week. Or even someone over here. So when it's fully finished, we're gonna get the update before December. So anybody who might want to book, we'll be having a 2-bedroom flat, 2-bedroom plus jacuzzi and stuff like that. Outdoor fire pit area and stuff like that. In December ready. There's a river 5-minute walk away. And yeah, you're in a place called Jericho, safe neighborhood and stuff like that. Alright, so hopefully we get enough money and energy for just go down there and finish it all up one time. I will call it a day. So them people when you can get it for book out. Yeah man, my people. Right now people, we reach the top. Oh, I think this is our next way to go down. I walk go down the side here. So we reach the top, my people, you can see. People, the journey was hard, but we made it. So this is the top, my people, of the Blue Mountain. See, we can walk this way and go down. Hopefully. Sometimes we battle them hard now, people. But we have to fight it for we ourselves. And this is what this journey taught me. Yes. The road rough. Sometimes even I get rougher than this. But we still have to fight it. Nothing else we can do, people. We still have to fight the journey. At the end of the day. Because at the end of the day, my people, if you don't fight your war, nobody not gonna fight it for you, you know. So remember that, my people. But we made it to the top, my people. I know I'm happy now. Kill me dead. I say I couldn't make it just go on, my people. The amount of time, I say I'm going to turn back. The amount of time, I say no, sir. I can't make it. I can't make it to the top. It's too steep for me. I watch it now, people. No, we don't make it now. Yeah, man, we make it. See, I'm at the dream house. I think I couldn't finish it. Now we finish it. Just a little tweaks now. And we done it. So sometimes people, like we say, the journey hard, the battle hard. But we have to stand our ground and fight. Because nobody's going to fight it for us. See now, people, we're on top of the world. Now look how we are look down. Down below. Now I'm going to walk off and slide off, you know. See them, my peeps? We're on the top of the Blue Mountain. Not to have energy in my hand them left my people. So yes my people, so we're going to end off the video right now. More bless up everybody again. And who team couldn't even make it to the top. Yes, see, we make it. We never turn back. You know how much time I want to turn back my people? The amount of time I say no, I can't make it, I have to come back next day. And somehow, I fight it. And somehow, Father God, I tell me, so we have to always fight it. Although it's hard, my people. We have to stand up and we have to fight it. Until we make it. So thanks again to everybody who's been on this wonderful hiking journey, climbing the Ontario Blue Mountain. Everybody again, if you like the content, please share, subscribe, and bless up.